There is a door that most creators walk past every day. They do not see it because they are looking in the wrong place. They search for extensions, they search for third-party apps. They do not realize that the most powerful creative engine is already sitting inside their Google Cloud Console. Today, I am going to show you that door. First, check the result. Then we go to the screen.
Down, the pressure turns to light. The wound becomes the window, the darkness becomes sight. The witness and the watch become the very same. The flute forgets the distance from the field from where it came. I am not a copy, I am not a trend. I am the first, yes, I am the beginning and the end. Still the ocean, I am still the ocean, underneath the weather, underneath the motion. All my borrowed names are just waves upon the shore. The deeper that I fall, the closer to the core. So look into the mirror, let the mask dissolve. The only one you need to please is waiting to evolve. Still the ocean, still the ocean.
Open your browser. Navigate to Google Cloud Console. Not AI Studio. Not a Chrome extension. The actual Google Cloud Console. Once inside, look to the left panel. Find Agent Platform, click it. A submenu opens. Click Studio. You are now inside the Generative Media Studio. At the top, you will see a button, Generate Media. Click it. 4 paths appear in front of you: image, video, speech, and music. Today, we walk the paths of speech and music. Let us begin with speech. Click Speech. The Speech Playground opens. At the top, you will see Model Settings. Click the arrow to expand it. First, the task. It is already set to text-to-speech. Below that, the Model drop-down. Click it. You will see 5 options: Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS, Gemini 2.5 Flash TTS, Gemini 2.5 Pro TTS, and Gemini 2.5 Flash Lite TTS, and Chirp 3 HD Voices. Here is what you must know about the free limits. Every month, Google gives you approximately 1,200 to 1,300 free minutes of standard voice generation. That is Gemini 3.1 Flash, Gemini 2.5 Flash, Gemini 2.5 Pro, and Gemini 2.5 Flash Lite. The limit refreshes every month. But Chirp 3 HD Voices is different. This is the most realistic model, the one that breathes, that pauses, that feels alive. And it has no free limit. It is not included in the monthly quota. If you select it, you are paying for every minute. For most creators, the standard models are more than enough. I personally select Gemini 2.5 Pro TTS. It balances realism with cost beautifully. Next, the Style Instructions box. This is where you speak to the machine in plain English. Type friendly studio voice, or warm documentary narrator, or quiet, intimate whisper. The machine will obey. Below that, the language dropdown. Select your language. English United States is the default. Then, the voice dropdown. Click it. You will see a list of names: Achernar, AOD. Each one is a different personality, a different depth, a different gender. Listen to each one. Find the voice that matches your soul. Finally, click Parameters to expand the Advanced section. Audio encoding. Leave it on linear 16. Sample rate. Leave it on 22,050 Hz. Speed. This slider controls how fast the voice speaks. I recommend 0.75 for a slow contemplative delivery. Volume gain, leave it at 1 for consistent loudness. Now, paste your script into the main text box. Click Generate. Wait 2 minutes, then press play. That voice you are hearing, it did not exist 60 seconds ago. You just created a person out of language. We come now to the final territory. Not because there is nothing more to explore, but because every journey needs a place to rest. A place where the traveler can look back at the road traveled and understand, finally, what it was all for. We began with wealth, the discovery that the only real capital is the quality of your presence, the depth of your attention, the authenticity of your connection. We moved through the layers of the self, from the surface costume to the oceanic depth where all separation dissolves. We spoke of the courage to be yourself. Now let us walk the second path. Go back, click Generate Media again. This time, select Music. The Music Playground opens. The model is already selected, Lyria 3 Pro. This is Google's most advanced music model. It creates full songs, up to 3 minutes long, with vocals, instruments, and a soul you directed. You will see a single prompt box. This is where you speak to the machine in plain English. Describe the genre, describe the mood, describe the instruments, paste your lyrics, then click Generate. In 1 to 2 minutes, your song is ready. Not a sample, not a fragment, a full composition with structure, emotion, and depth. There is no separate settings panel. There is no hidden menu. Everything the model needs to know must live inside your words, so choose them carefully. The specificity of your prompt is the specificity of your result. Before you leave, there is one more thing you must do, but more importantly, this is where you check your usage. If you are ever unsure how much of your free limit remains, this is the mirror that shows you the truth. Check it once a week. Know where you stand. Creativity without awareness is just expensive noise. So, there it is. Not an extension, not a side tool. The real studio, inside the real cloud, waiting for the real creator. Speech on one side, music on the other, both born from nothing but your words, both ready in minutes, both yours to keep. The only question left is, what will you say to the machine that turns your silence into sound?
They handed me a script before I learned to speak. Taught me how to whisper, taught me how to seek. But seeking is a costume, and the mirror knows the lie. The face that greets the morning is the first one that will die. Still the ocean, I am still the ocean. Underneath the weather, underneath the motion. All my borrowed names are just waves upon the shore. The deeper that I fall, the closer to the core. I carved myself to fit a lock that someone else designed. I wore 1,000 faces, left the original behind. But the river never judges, and the tree does not explain. The oak does not apologize for how it breaks the plain. Still the ocean, I am still the ocean. Underneath the weather, underneath the motion. All my borrowed names are just waves upon the shore. The deeper that I fall, the closer to the core. Still the ocean, I am still the ocean. Underneath the weather, underneath the motion. All my borrowed names are just waves upon the shore. The deeper that I fall, the closer to the core. 7 layers down, the pressure turns to light. The wound becomes the window, the darkness becomes sight. The witness and the watch become the very same. The flute forgets the distance from the field from where it came. I am not a copy, I am not a trend. I am the first, yes, I am the beginning and the end. Still the ocean, I am still the ocean. Underneath the weather, underneath the motion. All my borrowed names are just waves upon the shore. The deeper that I fall, the closer to the core. So look into the mirror, let the mask dissolve. The only one you need to please is waiting to evolve. Still the ocean, still the ocean.